Alright guys, today we're talking Nashville Hot Fried Chicken Dip. We've got our buffalo tenders here. All we did was take some chicken breasts, made tenders out of them. We've got our Nashville Hot seasoning. We're gonna get in a little flour dredge. We like it hot over here, so we're gonna add a little extra cayenne. Alright. Quick and easy batter on this. No eggs, no milk. Season them up with the Nashville Hot. Amazing, actually. All right, guys, we've got our fried chicken. Now, we actually just did flour on these instead of like a milk and egg dredge. That way it'd keep it real light so the batter wasn't falling off in the dip. We got some red onion, some cream cheese, some shredded cheddar. We're gonna use our one-legged chicken. About probably half a cup maybe. And some ranch dressing. A little more of our Nashville Hot seasoning. A little more ranch powder. And I want to kick it up a little. We'll let you cayenne. Get in with our hands. Mix it all together. Into our skillet. All right, then we're gonna bake this off around 375 so it gets nice and bubbly. Pull it out, put some pickles on top. It's go time.